When you first start KX Dashboards, you are greeted with a set of sample dashboards. These dashboards demonstrate some of the features and capabilities of the platform. Just select a tile to open and interact with the dashboard. To gain access to the editor, update the URL to add an edit before the hashtag address of the dashboard. You will then see the interface change to the dashboard editor. To create a new dashboard, next to the drop-down is a new dashboard icon. Click that, give your dashboard a name, and away you go. The dashboard editor offers a familiar desktop interface. There is a large central canvas in which you add components to build your dashboard. The list of those components is on the left, with a helpful slide bar to give you more workspace once you're familiar with the icons. On the right is a Properties panel, which updates to reflect the selected component. Here it's showing global dashboard properties. Along the top is a menu bar, and starting from left to right we have a drop-down showing the list of available dashboards. Next to this are icons to create and save a dashboard. An undo button is next, and a redo button will appear when you first start adding content. The dashboard loads in design mode, but when you're interacting and testing your dashboard, you will use preview mode. In design mode, interactions are locked to make it easier to build your dashboard. Preview mode provides you with an end-user experience with interactive forms and elements. To the right is a user drop-down. This defines the theme of the editor, be it a light or dark, the time zone for display in the dashboard, error reporting, a link to the help documentation, and an About dialog, which shows you the version of dashboards you are on. The Show Selection breadcrumb is a handy tool for selecting components which may contain other components, for example a tab component. The selection breadcrumb you will see along the top of the canvas. Additional noteworthy items is the Manage Dashboard menu. This is found at the bottom of your dashboard drop-down. In the Manage Dashboard, you can select Open in Viewer mode, where Viewer mode is the end-user view of your dashboard. You can also delete, import, or export a dashboard. The icons for each dashboard are a check to make a dashboard a draft dashboard. This will not appear to the end user. A home icon to define which dashboard is the one to load on start, and star icons to define favorite dashboards. Dashboard properties include important layout elements. Enable Share Dashboard allows users to share not just the dashboard, but the view of the dashboard with all selection options they have made. Extending from this, Save Viewer State allows users to return to the last setting when they exit. Typically this is enabled, but if you want your user to have a fresh start at every load, then you can disable this feature. Unsave Prompt is a little protection to remind you to save if you navigate away from your dashboard into another view while building. Fill Height ensures your dashboard scales vertically to the frame of the browser. Disable if you want a long-form dashboard. Floatable allows you to position your components anywhere within the canvas, and by default components will lock to the top. Column count and row count defines the number of anchor points inside your canvas. If you are not using fill height, then the compound of column and row count becomes the height of your dashboard in pixels. The style menus allow you to configure the borders and spacing of your components, including if your dashboard is to be a light or dark theme. Pop-ups are for configuring the pop-up dialog. Shortcuts allow you to map query execution to keys. Notifications alert the user to events within the dashboard. You can also add additional screens to your dashboard. A document graph displays the relationships between data sources and view state parameters within the dashboard.